Hi, today our topic is about Airbase. Airbase is an American-based company. Airbase is a comprehensive spend management tool providing platform company. It unifies expense reports, accounts, payable, vendor payments, and corporate card controls into a single software as a tool solution. And it has a core features of expense under receipt management. Mobile app to scan receipts using OCR under generative AI to auto extract details like data, vendor, category, amount, and even a purpose based on a past patterns. A fully automated audits, trials, logging, receipts, and notes under documentation for each expense. Building policy enforcement flags or logs out of policy submissions, limit submission window, and a mandatory field can be configured. Spend control and approval works. Rule based expenses. Policies that enforce multi level approvals, budget threshold limits on cards, expense types under vendor level controls, integrates with Slack and email to route approvals, including mobile support or an other Go request. Workflow builders supports customizations by spend type, route to financial, IT, legal, and so many and includes features like a three-way PO matching and in product that is mentioned. Corporate cards, both the physical and the virtual cards with the transactions and the overall spend limits, expiry dates and the fraud alerts. Virtual cards can be vendor specific and single use, ideal for secure online purchases. Accounts payable and vendor payments. Consolidate management of vendor bills and improves bill pay, PO or invoice matching and customizable approval routing. Integrations and accountable automation. Seamless sync with the major accounting systems. QuickBooks, NetSuite, SAG, Act, Zero, etc. Transaction flow directly into your general ledger, reducing manual data entry with reconciliation burden. Report budget and forecasting. Real-time dashboards and ledger sync visual department project or vendor spending. In here, real-timely dashboards under ledger sync visibility department means we can real-timely can watch the ledgers approvals and any other things. Advanced reporting tools and forecasting capable. Some users report improvement forecasting accurate by 25% post deployment. Secure and fraud prevention. Machine learning powered fraud monitoring, real time alerts, two factor authentication, or critical changes like bank account updates and some spend control limits. Here, if this company will be provide fraud preventions like two-factor authentication or real-time alerts, fraud monitoring 24/7, or critical changes like bank account updates and spend control limits. And then next is SOC 1 Type 2 under SOC 2 Type 2 complicated safeguards both financial reporting and security or confidential standards. And then next is scalable and global support. Supports the US and international reimbursement for US subsidiaries to bank accounts in the US or 44 countries or 14 currencies. For non-US subsidiaries, supports 5 countries, Europe, and so many countries. Another four. Designed to scalable across multiple entities, departments, and global operations. This company also have awards and recognitions. Consistently ranked top in AP automation, and spend management. Spend management is a 50 providers to watch in procurement technologies, third year in a row, and Juniper Research best B2B payments platform in 2024. It's a platinum. And the next is American Business Award. Steve Stevia Awards for most innovative tech company of the year in fourth year. And the next is the Deloitte Technologies fast 500 times 2024 hashtag 24 Procure Tech Cup 2024 hashtag with one in procurement technologies. And the next is the pricing and implementation. No publicly listed pricing per business must conduct Airbase to tailor plans. Tiered plans are basically three plans. Those are standard, premium, enterprise. Standard are up to 200 employees and premium up to 500 employees and enterprises up to 10,000 employees. Fully features on the advanced amortization. And next is abroading mid market up to 30 to 60. Onboarding mid-end marketing 30 to 60 days. Enterprises of 60 to 90 days. And the next is pros and cons for reviews. Pros integrates corporate cards reimbursement and AP in one platform, improving spend governance and visibility. Real-time budget controls helps avoid overspending. Strong accounting integrations and clean audit trials. Highly priced expense deconsolidation and virtual card flexibility. User reports improved forecasting accuracy and strategic control. And the next is cons. Implementation can be time intensive, especially for complex setups. Occasional sync delays during periods of heavily transaction processing. Receipt scanning OCR may misclassify items, requiring manual fixing. Reporting customization in limited. Advanced tailoring may be restricted. Mobile app performance can lag when processing my receipts. Limited multi-currency support outside the main currency offered. Real world user feedback in Reddit. Airbase is so close to being great, but the missing elements are so fucking stupid. Issues with flexible approvals. Vacation cover requires advanced approvals up to 7K extra. Their reports is also pretty trash. We use it for international contracts all over the world, and it would do work pretty good for that. It has in so many categories of fields, strengths, limits, best, and so many things. For this company has a majorly so many like competitors like a ramp and a Coupa and so many SaaS tools. So many are there in US that gives a heavy competition for this company. Thank you giving this opportunity. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.